The other night we were eating dinner and I asked my wife the question, would you want to see Mumford & Sons? As to which she replied, okay, because man do those boys know how to play. That night we got our tickets for the show in Louisville, Kentucky, which was just a quick Mumford drive down the road. And in the days leading up to the show, Haylee kept telling people we were going to see Kings of Leon. So I'm not even entirely convinced she's even aware of what she signed up for. So the next day we put on our Mumford shoes and made the drive down the river for a night of magical whimsy. But not before meeting up with one of my best friends growing up, Joey. Joey lives in Louisville and just got back from Dubai, which is why we were catching up, but really that has nothing to do with this story in particular. One of my all-time favorite beverages is Bullet Bourbon, which happens to be distilled here in Louisville, Kentucky. I don't know what it is, possibly since I was born and raised in Kentucky, but delicious nonetheless. My cousin Zach also lives in Louisville at the moment, so we asked if he'd like to tag along for a distillery tour. That was until... It's closed! They're closed on Tuesdays. It's Tuesday. Not very Mumford. But just driving past, the distillery looks like something out of The Walking Dead, so we'll definitely be back. After being shut down from our original game plan, we ended up doing the furthest thing from drinking good bourbon. Exercise.
Walking on your hands and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know the maker's line.
After a few hours of enjoying each other's company and walking around the city for a little bit, it was time to say goodbye to the Mumford boys. We'll see you Mumford boys later. To which Joey replied, Mumford time. And that's exactly what we'd do. Alright, let's Mumford our way home. Hi, do I have to hit?
Yeah, here, let me press the button and you should be good.
Oh, great.
Alright, you should be good now.
Wow. We will see you in a second.
Up or down?
2, 4, so probably up. Oh, hello!